50-year-old identified as alleged shooter in deadly gun battle in Manchester with cop on Friday night. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The police have identified the alleged shooter following an incident that has also left a policeman dead in Manchester on Friday night. The accused attacker has been identified as 50-year-old Eric Miller, otherwise called Burglar of Somerset District in Manchester. The policeman who was shot and killed has been identified as 53-year-old Dwight Gregory of Miketown, Manchester. He was attached to the Manchester Police Division. An investigation has been launched following the discovery of the two bodies of the men on the outside of a bar in the community on Friday, December the 3rd. Investigators assigned to the Mandeville Criminal Investigation Branch said that the bodies of both men were discovered at about 10 p.m. on an embankment near the business establishment. Both men had what appears to be gunshot wounds. Two firearms were seized at the scene, an illegal Smith & Wesson pistol with what appears to be a magazine containing 9mm rounds of ammunition, and a Smith & Wesson revolver containing 4 rounds of ammunition. The Jamaica Constabulary Force in a release said that as the force once again mourned the violent and sudden loss of one of its members, the High Command is expressing condolences to the family and friends of the district constable. The High Command is also encouraging members to avail themselves of the services available through the Chaplaincy Services Branch and the Medical Services Branch as they continue to serve the people of Jamaica while coping with tragic news. Teams from the Chaplaincy Services Branch as well as the Community and Safety Security Branch are assisting the family in a customary way, but they are also on hand to support colleagues of the fallen constable. This has been Link 007 TV News Report, and we have an updated report to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.